Hi there, today we are going to demo the Hogwarts House Cup app. The purpose of this app is to be able to play trivia games, and in playing trivia games you're going to score points. Those points are going to be able to earn points that are going to go into the house for your house cup. So you can earn points for Gryffindor, for Slytherin, for Ravenclaw, for Hufflepuff, whatever house you want to be sorted into. So we're going to go through this as the process of a new user. So let's say our username wants to be Brad, and we're going to say our Patronus is a dog. So boom, Brad has just been brought into this app. As you can see, he's an unsorted user, so if I was to play this trivia challenge, you could play it, but your score would not be saved and you wouldn't earn points as is shown over here. So first thing we're going to do is get sorted into a house. So the first thing we're going to do is just sort of play through this. Doesn't really matter what I pick right now because this is just sort of a tutorial. Alright, so we got Hufflepuff. Down here this will sort of give you a little bit of information that if you pick a new house, is going to erase all previous points you have scored for other houses. If you want to do that, if you want to change your house, you can use this button right here. We do want to do that. So boom. You see the DOM is going to update. Now we have all this information about Hufflepuff right here. And if we were to play the trivia challenge and get a good enough score, we can earn points for the Hufflepuff house. So we're going to go through the trivia right now. Alright, so we've just played the trivia game, and as you can see, the house points has been updated, my highest score has been updated in several places, and the leaderboard has been updated. Brad has some points for Hufflepuff over here. So, if you want to see other types of leaderboards, you can click on these banners up here. If you want to see how the Gryffindors are doing, if you want to see how the Slytherin are doing, the Ravenclaw, the Hufflepuff, all users, or just the houses, if you want to see how Hufflepuff is doing in comparison to Ravenclaw and Gryffindor and in Slytherin. Alright, let's go back to the sorting hat and show you what happens if we change houses. So, we're going to put the users on our side. Remember, Brad's right here. Let's pick a few. Alright, so we have gotten Gryffindor. If you want to change and be Gryffindor, you can just play this. You can just get some information about Gryffindor, see this right here, but if you want to change your house, this warning right here tells you that this is going to delete your previous score. So Brad's 10 points for Hufflepuff are going to be no more because you're only earning points for Gryffindor now. We are going to do that, so let's change houses. You'll see Brad's 10 points for Hufflepuff are no longer here. Now we have all this information about Gryffindor over here. We can also log out, and if we want to log in as Brad again, his Patronus was a dog, so let's try something else. Turtle. Oh, it's not going to let you do that. If you log in using a username, and the username is taken, you're going to have to be able to create a new user. You're going to have to pick a new username. You sort of verify yourself using your Patronus, so you need to have the correct Patronus when you go to log in. That way we can keep track of your scores and your house points. So we're going to log in as Brad and Dog. And we're back, and we can see all this information about Brad and his house and any previous scores he has. So that's a little bit of a rundown on how we can use this Hogwarts House Cup. It's a lot of fun, there's a lot of cool trivia, there's a lot of cool being able to pick which Hogwarts house you are, and I hope it brings you guys as much fun as it's brought me. Thank you.